I'll take few questions before I come back to mine. Uh, People feel free to raise your hand. I think they have mics around. Yeah.
Very good evening. It feels great to talk to you both. So there's one request for Nithin and one question. Request is that we would like to see you and Kailash both on Nikhil's podcast. And
You have been
my-
on Nikhil's podcast, right? You have been on some.
he has been on healthcares, but
Yeah,
we would like
healthcares.
to see with Kailash as well.
With Kailash.
Yeah. And my question is that, is there any mental model or a philosophy or a procedure through which you both take decisions? Because if I believe you both are at forefront of our fintech industry, so, and which means that you both have taken always great decisions and that too in right direction. So how do you both take decisions and make right choices in personal life and in professional as well? Thank you very much.
Personal life, I don't know. I mean, you're talking, when you say both, you're talking about Nithin and K or Nithin and Nick?
About you and him right now.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
But I'll let Nithin answer mostly.
Yeah, okay. So, see, the thing is, I've seen a lot of, I mean, unlike Harshil, I don't come with any pedigree. So I know I barely finished my 12th. I barely completed first year of engineering before I dropped out. And the college wasn't really like a great college, it was, so I think my life generally has been very volatile as such, so I worked in a call center, I was selling clothes in weekend, and stuff like that, so only the last 10 years, maybe 10, 11 years is when the trend has actually caught up. And of all the mistakes I've done in my life, I have realized, I think when there is a choice to make, there's an easy one and a tough one. If you're confused of which one to do, I mean, always the tough one is the right one. Because it's really, that's my mental model. When I'm confused about, what should I be doing, I find out what is tougher to do, and essentially do that. I don't know, yours?
No, I think it's a fairly amazing reply. I don't want to add too much to it, but I think completely agree with Nithin. I think the one thing I'd say is that I think consistency compounds, and what I've seen is typically people give up before they become consistent. So a lot of people get excited about great stuff. Like in AI, it's happening even a lot more. Hey, this is exciting, I want to do this, I want to do this. And then you do it for 5 days, 10 days, maybe 3 months, 6 months. And then people are like, yeah, now I want to do something else. I think very few people are able to really do something consistent. And most successful founders that I've seen do the same thing for 10 years at least. And it's generally very hard to do the same thing. I mean, here's an example, right? Like, doing the same thing repeatedly for 10 years, continuously. I'm sure the early days were not easy. I'm sure it would have been hard. And there's nobody, we're celebrating him today. I'm sure a lot of people would not know Zerodha for a long time. But doing the same thing consistently for 10 years is not easy. And I think in the AI world, it's going to become even more and more rare that people will stick to the same thing. But generally, compounding happens with that.
Thank you very
There are
much.
a few more